Oh, that's true.
I have a feeling that it's toast. I'm just gonna vote.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
What is that for?
Oh my god!
I'm sorry.
Oh my god!
I was actually helping people. I don't know if you've ever heard of that. So.
Are you implying that I don't help people?
I'm implying that you sometimes like to take things from people with your fat dump truck ass.
Whoa, excuse you.
Sorry, just wasn't looking.
Number one, why are you looking at my ass? Number two,
When you do this, it looks so fat.
I wasn't doing that though.
Yeah, do it. Do it right now.
Oh my god. What?
Such a fat dump truck ass. That's what I was telling you. So yeah, I was helping people instead of flaunting my fat dump truck ass.
Well,
I'll leave you to it, man. I think you're gonna want to hang out with that for a bit.
Neither of those are clear.
You want
That's
this
good
one?
move. No. This is not a good kill. Okay, yeah.
I think it is.
Oh, no, it's not.
It's fine.
Good wraparound.
No. Go lights. Go lights. Call it. Call it!
Please, please see what the mouse is doing. All right. No, kill Talia.
No. Just kill it. Just kill it. On cooldown. Kill. Kill.
no.
Kill!
Oh.
Yeah, you're dumb!
Okay, we're fine. It's fine.
Oh my god!
I didn't know that was our partner. I didn't know that was our partner. I didn't know that was our partner. It's fine.
Oh my god. Sorry. I'm just screaming at 5 to kill because he has the mouse on. Kill, and he's like, no. I'm like, yes, kill. And then he finally presses it and the game ends. And I was like, thank you.
Wait, didn't we agree that 3 imposters was too hard to find?
No, wait. Oh god. Uh-oh. Bro, please, my kill cooldown's not up. Okay. Get out of here, buddies! Get out of here! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Man, Tolly's having a what the fuck?
Bro, get me out of this game, Josh.
I've never seen the Mystic Avenger lose this.
Headshot. Quiet now.
One enemy remaining.
All you can go. If you can get the site.
They're actually briefing. Actually,
I don't have it, but
you don't have it. By like 0.5.
Unlucky. Would have been insane.
Mizkif, I'm here to suck up to you because I got bad ADHD and I don't see any other career path that will work for me. Please DM advice.
Shut the fuck up. Listen to me right here. If you don't think there's other career paths for you, you're right. I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm sorry.
Yo, use your heals and stuff, man.
Wait,
Good shit.
dude! I died! Dude, I died. My armor's broken. Poke. It's depleted.
I've dropped $700,000 so fast. Sinek called me this morning freaking the fuck out. He's like, Matt, you can't buy a dishwasher. And I'm like, why? Apparently the bank account that we have is required to have $100,000 in it at all times, or you're gonna get like fucked in interest rates and stuff. And so since I bought these boxes, we're getting screwed. So we have to, if we want to use anything, we have to come back to this house.
You want to play some Among Us then? I mean,
Oh wait, sorry.
that's why you joined this call, right?
I think you're breaking up. I think you're breaking
Scar,
up.
why'd you join this call?
You guys hear me?
Scar,
Hello?
why'd you join this
Scara?
call? Oh,
You're playing Among Us with us, right? I can't be breaking up because
God.
girls aren't in it.
What?
Sykkuno, you take that
Huh?
back.
I thought it'd make you laugh.
I was muted. I did. I had a hearty chuckle, but you better be joking.
Uh-huh. Oh,
Sykkuno, if girls aren't into you, I know a lot of guys that are into you. There's one in particular.
Yeah, I know a couple.
wait, the way Corp said that.
Man, Tolly's having a
Holy
What the fuck?
shit!
What is going on? What is going on? What is this? What is this? What the fuck? What the fuck? There's bodies everywhere. I'm out here doing Jesus.
Bro.
Okay, listen. I can't even vouch for anyone. What the hell?
Nobody's safe. Okay, I would trust one person. I'm
Okay,
afraid to say
can you guys trust that I would not report with 5 people left? Like,
I believe that's Scream in the beginning, actually.
I believe, yeah, that was some genuine reaction or some really good.
Okay, so I think this has to be good people. I think this has to be Steve and Sips or something, because like
Dude, I didn't
they're
see
just
Sips.
really good.
I was actually helping people. I don't know if you've ever heard of that. So
Are you implying that I don't help people?
I'm implying that you sometimes like to take things from people with your fat dump truck ass.
Whoa, excuse you.
Sorry, just wasn't looking.
Number 1, why are you looking at my ass? Number 2,
When you do this, it looks so fat.
I wasn't doing that though.
Yeah, do it right now.
Oh my god. What?
Such a fat dump truck ass. That's what I was telling you. So yeah, I was helping people instead of flaunting my fat dump truck ass.
Well,
I'll leave you to it, man. I think you're gonna want to hang out with that for a bit.
Thanks again, Spider-Man. Gonna tell everyone to use your app after I get some sleep.
Glad I could help.
Oh no! What?
Uh-huh. Do you prefer Bretman or
Brett, you can call me B if you're nasty.
B if I'm nasty? What does that mean?
Nasty, Sykkuno?
Are you nasty, Sykkuno?
I don't think anyone's ever called me that. Is nasty a good thing or a bad thing?
I think it's good.
It's how you
Good?
look at it.
I'm gonna kill him.
Alright.
Oh god, I'm cooling.
I'm fucking dead. Fucking Sid.
Oh god, I'm cooling.
So that story adds up. He must have not finished it last time.
Sykkuno, why are you still? Oh my god.
What?
Sykkuno's like the head of the Bretman Rock fan club right now.
No, he just sounds very trustworthy, right?
Sykkuno knows a bad bitch when he sees one.
What?
He does.
I do.
When the Captain
Bank, and I was talking to a banker, right? And we got to talking. And they started asking me what I do for a living, and I'm like going on, and I'm like, yeah, I stream on Twitch. I do this reality TV show, and they stop and they're like, oh my god, do you know Hassan Piker? I said, do I know Hassan Piker? Yeah, he's my good friend. It's like, oh my god. Oh my God, I love Hassan Piker. Literally nobody knows about what I listen to him all the time. I've been on a binge for 4 months. After work, I get my tablet and I watch and I do art and I watch Hassan Piker. And I was like, we spent like, I kid you not, an hour talking about you. And I went into the branch. We continued to talk about you for like an hour.